Hi guys, I am Rainbow Gaming. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use double screen in phone. This is a teacher is a basic apps you can use. First step, you need to go to Play Store. Where is the Play Store? This Play Store, and find the dual space multiple account. These apps, guys. And the second, find the same apps but they calls Pro. These apps, guys. These two apps is can help you to use double account in Roblox. I'm gonna teach you how this work. First, I'm gonna open these apps and open the Roblox. And if you're in game, guys, home, you need to scroll down your screen, this screen, and go to find the split screen, guys. This, and find the dual space Pro. um, Yan. These two apps are basic apps. You can use a double screen. I wish it's a big help to you guys, and I'm gonna end this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and button bell, and thank you, guys. See you.